Hi everyone, in this lecture we are going to code the footer of our website. Now before jumping into HTML, we can see that we have 4 different kinds of links. So we have sitemap, resources, company, and portfolio. And right from the start we can see that we might end up with 4 different containers, and we are going to end up with 4 different containers. So these links, they look the same, so we are going to separate them in one container. And these items, these titles, they look bigger, so we are going to separate these links from these titles. And we are going to provide one container for this one, the other for this, and this one. Let's jump into HTML first. So I'm going to say we are going to have sitemap, then we are going to have resources, then we are going to have company, and then there is portfolio. So within the sitemap, we are going to say footer underscore sitemap. Let's provide the dot sitemap. So within here, we are going to have a title. The title is going to be sitemap. Now, let's come back to the website. We can see that these styles for these, they look the same. So they have the same color, the same font weight, the same font size. So why not provide 2 classes? One is going to be shared. The other one could be unique. So this footer sitemap, that could be the unique class. But the footer section, or the sitemap itself, it could be a shared class. So I'm going to say, let's think about this. How do I want to go about this? So this is the container. I definitely want to apply some styles on this. So I'm going to say footer section. So I'm just going to call it footer subsection. That is going to be the shared class. Now here we are going to have an h4. The h4 is going to have 2 classes, again, the same as with our testimonials. So it is going to be footer sitemap -- title, and then subsection -- title. That's better. Okay, so I'm going to say sitemap. After the footer, we talked about how we are going to separate the links. So for the links, I'm going to use I could use a UL, or I could just use a div. So I'm going to say, let's use a div. So this is going to be sitemap -- links -- container. No, I'm just going to say links. Let's remove the space, and this is going to say links as well. So this is our div, footer subsection -- links. So within here, we are going to have 4 anchor elements. So I'm going to give them a class. They're going to have, again, 2 classes. So the first class is going to be -- link. And the second class is also going to be subsection -- link. So this is going to be K. Let's say we want to have 4 of these, so times 4. Oops. Let's save that so we can see what we are working with. So this is the first. Okay, this is the first one. Let's provide a space there, and this is going to be the second one. Provide a space there. Oh, it is just rearranging it. So let me just remedy the href. So I'm going to say href, click there, holding alt, click there. I'm just going to provide a number sign. For the text, the first one is going to be home page. Make sure it doesn't confuse you like it does me. Home page. The second one is going to be pricing. Okay. The third one is going to be testimonials. So testimonials. Save that. And the fourth one is going to be features. Save that. So we have all these classes, all these links. I think this part is done. So what we could do is we could just copy this entire thing, put it right here, and we're going to save it. Now we're going to change all these sitemaps with, for this one, we are going to have resources. So I'm going to say resources. There we go. And the subsection, all these subsection classes, because they're shared, I'm not going to basically change them. So this, I'm just going to uppercase this one, resources. We are going to change the links. So for the resources, we are going to have 3 links. So let's get rid of the final one. I'm going to say this is going to be support. Support. The next one is going to be contact. And the final one is going to be FAQs, or frequently asked questions, FAQ. Save this. I think we're done. Let's just take a look at what we have. So because these ones, they have the color white, we can't really see what is happening. This is what we're trying to do here. I'm going to collapse this entire thing. I'm going to copy that, put it beneath the company. I'm going to grab all the resources and I'm going to convert them to company. Let's uppercase the C as well. So within the company, how many links do we have? Within the company, I think there are 3 links again. So we are going to have about. The next one is going to be customers. And the final one is going to be block. Save this. And finally, we have the portfolio section. So 3, 3, this one is 4. Let me just put that here. Let me select all the, not that one, just select the company. And we are going to change it to portfolio. Let's uppercase this P. So how many links do we have here? We have 4. These are the names. So we have Matthew Higgins. So the first one is going to be Matthew Higgins. The second one is going to be Candice Tupelo. The third one is going to be John Green. And then I'm gonna, it ends right here. So let me create another one. Okay, not 2, just 1. Save that. And the final one is going to be Sandy Peterson. There we go. Save that. Let's come in here. So this is all the info that we have. Now we have successfully created all these sections, all these subsections within our footer. The only thing remaining for us is going to be just to apply the very minimal styles that we have. So with in the next lecture, we're going to jump into CSS. See you then.